Exploring the rich tapestry of pluralism. Hello, dear friends and curious minds. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating concept that touches the core of our diverse world: pluralism. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a seeker of knowledge, understanding pluralism will offer you a new perspective on how we coexist and interact in our global society. Let's explore the multifaceted meanings and implications of this term together. Pluralism is a term that encapsulates the idea of diversity within unity. It's the belief or condition in which various groups, cultural, religious, political, or even philosophical, coexist peacefully and equitably in a single society. Pluralism values this diversity and sees it as a strength rather than a division. It's an acknowledgement that there isn't just one singular narrative or way of life, but rather a tapestry of narratives that contribute to the whole picture. Inclusion. Pluralism isn't just about recognizing diversity. It's about actively including different voices and viewpoints. This means creating spaces where a variety of ideas and people can be heard and respected. Engagement. Pluralism involves engaging with differences. It encourages dialogue and interaction among diverse groups to foster understanding and cooperation. Empowerment. True pluralism empowers minority groups, giving them the opportunity to have an influence on society equal to that of the majority. To see pluralism in action, we can look at examples like democratic governments, which should represent all segments of society, or educational systems that include multiple perspectives and histories. Even workplaces that value diversity and encourage different approaches can be examples of pluralism at work. Pluralism is crucial for peace and stability in our interconnected world. It reduces conflict by promoting a deeper understanding between different groups. It also encourages the exchange of ideas, leading to innovation and growth. And most importantly, pluralism ensures that everyone has a seat at the table, making our societies fairer and more inclusive. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of pluralism. Remember, embracing pluralism is not just about being tolerant. It's about appreciating and engaging with the rich diversity of our world. I hope this video has shed some light on the importance of pluralism and inspired you to see the beauty in our differences. Keep learning, keep questioning, and celebrate the pluralistic nature of the world around us. Until next time,